Kerala opposition demands Chief Minister's reply. Chief Minister ignores opposition demand. The news in detail. The Kerala opposition boycotted the assembly proceedings on Friday based on the statement of Swapna Suresh, the accused in the gold smuggling case, on the involvement of the Chief Minister in smuggling foreign currency. After intense sloganeering and banner protest inside the House and a brief sit-in at the entrance of the Assembly Hall, the Congress-led UDF members erected a human wall in front of the main gate to express their disagreement over Vijayan's silence. Adopting an unprecedented mode of protest, opposition had convened a symbolic house at the same place on Thursday after boycotting the proceedings as the adjournment motion sought over the issue was denied permission for presentation. As soon as the question hour session began, the UDF members started sloganeering, urging the Chief Minister to give his reply on the floor of the House regarding the serious revelations against him in the case. Banners were raised in the House by the opposition members, which could be read as the CM should end his silence. Speaker M.B. Rajesh gave strict warning against this, saying that it was against the assembly rules. When opposition leader V.D. Satishan pointed out that it was inappropriate to continue the proceedings without discussing the allegations that propped up against the Chief Minister, Rajesh said it was a matter disposed of yesterday itself. The protests were despite the fact that the CM was present in the House throughout. The opposition had boycotted the proceedings on the same issue yesterday and then held a mock session outside the main gate of the assembly. The speaker rejected the adjournment motion on the statement of the accused that the Chief Minister has a role in the smuggling as the case is under the consideration of the court. The UDF announced boycott of the proceedings and walked out of the House as the question hour continued. After inaugurating the protest human wall outside, Satishan said later that the Chief Minister's continued silence has evoked anxiety and suspicion in the mind of people of the state. Chief Minister is reluctant to give a reply in the House as he is scared. He cannot simply lie in the House. As the people of the state, we are also waiting for him to end the silence and hear his reply on the issue, he said. He also termed the protest human wall as an anti-corruption wall. The State Assembly witnessed continuous protest by the opposition after a section of the media recently reported that the customs had issued a shock-cause notice to the accused in the gold and dollar smuggling case, indicating alleged involvement of Pinarayi Vijayan in smuggling dollars abroad. Swapna Suresh and Sarit, who is accused in the case of smuggling kilograms of gold through the diplomatic channel at the Thiruvananthapuram airport, testified before the customs that the Chief Minister has a role in smuggling foreign currency. The LDF government suffered another setback on Wednesday as the Kerala High Court stayed its order appointing a commission of inquiry to look into any alleged attempt by the Enforcement Directorate to implicate Vijayan in the gold smuggling through diplomatic channels case, saying a parallel inquiry would derail the investigation in the matter. The opposition turned the assembly into a venue of protest against the Chief Minister after this. News Desk, Karma News.